Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix songs keep skipping in Amazon Music. So if songs in your app keep skipping automatically, it's usually due to connection issues, app glitches, corrupted downloads, or device settings. So actually guys, this first you all starts by checking your internet connection. So you all need just to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn the airplane mode, the option that you can see at the top of my screen, on then off, and even you can try stronger stable network if possible. So weak connection equals songs skip to the next track. Also, you will need to restart the app in your phone. How so? You will need just to swipe up the app just like that from the bottom of your phone, and then swipe up the app completely from the recent app, so that way you can close it from your recent apps completely. Okay, and then restart your phone at that point, and after that just open the app again and check. Also guys, I do really want you to go and check for an update for the app. So just go with your Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and look for Amazon Music. Okay, so this one, find it, tap it, and tap on updates if available. Okay, also I really want you to update your phone system, and to do that you will need to go and tap on the settings and then go with general. It's that option at the top of my screen, as you can see, and then go with software update, second option, and here where you can install the latest version of the iOS. Okay, so just go with updates now, the blue colored button. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.